morning everyone, it's Rachel here and I am back with two kits. One, well they're both, I'm calling them Victorian fussy kits. Obviously not everything is probably Victorian, but I just have all these lovely bits of pieces of ephemera. Most of it's my own stuff that I own. So I'll show you the kits, lots of fun things to play with. So this is kit 3. Hopefully I haven't made a boo-boo. I'll just stand up so I can see what I'm showing you just on screen there. So there's 8 pages in each kit. So some of these are the ones that my mum had in her, I had bought her a pack with some fabrics as her birthday present, and I asked her if I could scan them. That one I put in the book I'm making, and so they're all beautiful. I did things in all different sizes as well. Lovely bird. I love these little things, au bon marché, I think. And then lovely communion card. So, and this is from these are from scrapbooking pages that I have. The pages, they're very brittle and falling apart. So I've got those, and it's a postcard, all fun little bits. And, you know, also to use not just if you were doing like a document journal, like we're working on at the moment, but you can use them anywhere, really. I love these. I just got these recently at the antique market and I love them. And then there's, and this one I included in the other kit as well, in a smaller size, because I didn't think about doing it in this one. Oh, yes, that's not this page. That goes in the other one. I think that's 8. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that's it. So that's kit 3. And then we've got kit 4 here. I love that. How fun is that? Beautiful postcard, communion cards. Love it. I love that photograph. That's not Victorian. That looks like it's in the 40s or something, but I love that photograph. That's in the Piazza San Marco in Venice. So I thought that was lovely. These I just recently purchased, and that one, I love that, so cute. And those, I think I purchased that one recently too, and that was from a postcard, and I fussy cut it out on the computer. And I bought those a while ago, these ones. They're really gorgeous. I bought those in another town, and I just hadn't gotten around to putting them in a kit. And I have more, so there will be more kits coming. But I just think these kits are really fun to give you all kinds of different things to play with. Hopefully I haven't repeated anything that I've already, you know, done in other kits, because I keep, here is where I made it a bit smaller as well. I keep... it took me all day to try and sort out my files and see what I'd used and what I hadn't used, and I'm pretty sure I haven't doubled anything up, so I hope not anyway. So there's plenty there to play with. So I hope you like those, and I am going to come back now with a crafty 100-day project video. So I'll see you in a minute. Bye.